Hi, welcome to CPL. Today we'll be using our CPL Easy Press for another method. We'll be trying to roll up some dough ready for cookie making. What we've done, our base board, we have covered it in plastic food wrap and we'll put the dough on top. We're putting another layer of the wrap on top. This is to make sure that the dough is not in contact with anything else all during the process, to make sure it is all food safe. Now I'm putting it through the press. All we do is gently guide it through, turn the handle, and as you can see there, the dough is coming out all in an even thickness, ready for cookie cutting, ready for baking. There we go. And here's our dough, all nice and evenly rolled out. Take away the top layer of the food wrap, and we're ready to cut with our cookie cutters. There we go, isn't that lovely? Ready to put in your baking tray and pop into the oven. Our machine is nice and compact. When you finish using it, all you basically have to do is fold these two flaps and it can fit in any small space. You'll notice there's two adjustment handles at the top. These are what you would turn to make sure that you get your dough the right thickness. So if you want thinner, you obviously turn them a bit more until you're happy with what level you need them at.